Hello friends, hi, welcome to my channel Parul ke Pakwan. Today I am going to explain how to make pizza paratha. So let's see how to make pizza paratha and what the ingredients I am using to make the pizza paratha. So see the ingredients, how to make the cream onion paratha. So see these ingredients we have to use for the making the cream onion paratha. So I'm using 500 gram flour, wheat flour, and I'm using 3 to 4 tablespoon fresh cream, and I'm using 2 onion which is already peeled off and 2 green chili, and I'm using 5 to 6 tablespoon pure ghee, and salt. I'm using salt as per taste. So now soft dough is ready from the wheat flour. So I have taken 3 to 4 tablespoon fresh cream for making the malai paratha. So I will mix it well like this, and I will add onion. I will chop onion and I will add it in this cream. So this cream I have taken for the for 2 parathas, and you can increase the quantity of the cream as per the parathas you want to make, and as per the family members at your home. So I will make only 2 parathas from this cream. That's why I am taking these quantity of the cream and onion. So I will chop onion in this cream, all the onion, which I have taken 2 onions. I will chop in this cream. Now I will chop green chili in this onion and cream. And now I will add salt as per taste, like this. So mix well. Now I will prepare 2 roti from this dough, like this. I will make 2 balls of dough. Now I will make roti like this. So I have prepared 2 roti from this wheat flour, equal size rotis. Now I will apply cream and onion paste in these rotis, in this roti. So we will apply the whole roti, the cream and onion paste, like this. Like this I will apply the whole roti. And second roti I will put on this roti, like this. And I will press like this. remember this, I will prepare, we have to prepare 2 rotis in an equal size in round shape. So now this paratha of cream and onion paratha is ready. Now I will fry it. Now I have taken non-stick pan on the gas, and it will warm within 2-3 minutes, and after that I will apply some ghee, pure ghee, in this pan. Now I will put this roti in this pan, on this pan, and wait for 2-3 minutes. Now 2-3 minutes had done, and now I will turn this paratha on the other side like this. Now I will apply ghee on this paratha. Now other side I will fry it. It is very quick and easy recipe. We have to prepare within 5 minutes. So it is very easy recipe. You can try it at your home. So wait for 2-3 minutes. The other side will be prepared. Then I will turn again. Now turn this paratha on the other side after 2-3 minutes like this. Now I will apply ghee again on the other side. And wait for 2-3 minutes. And gas will be in low flame. And the ingredients just like cream and onion will be fried properly. When the paratha will be fried both side, from both side, you will make hole from the knife like this. We will make hole, press like this from the knife, because it will fry from internal side of the paratha like this. Its inner side will be fried properly. Pizza paratha is ready to serve, and I am serving this pizza paratha with tomato sauce and chili sauce. So if you will like this recipe, please subscribe my channel, like and comment also, and press the bell icon for the latest notification, and please share my videos more and more. And thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.